Hello students, hope you all are fine. Students, as you know, we are doing chapter rational numbers. Okay, so today I am continuing the previous topic on the finding rational numbers between two numbers. So in last session we found 5 rational numbers between two integers. So today we will find 5 rational numbers between rational numbers. Okay, the numbers are already rational. So how to find? So first step is, now if you see, these are unlike, they have different denominators. So first we will make their denominators same. What we do, we take LCM, but if only two are given, so in this way also we can make their denominator same. If you remember, we have done in previous class how to compare these two, how to make their denominators same. Now this fraction will be multiplying and divided with this number, and this fraction will be multiplying and divided with this. So first I am taking this 3 3s are 9 minus 9, 3 5s are 50. So this 3 will be multiplied with this also, with this also. Similarly, this 5 is multiplied with minus 1, that is minus 5. 5 will be multiplied with 3, that is 15. Now see, now they are like. Now they are like decimal. Now steps are same as we have done on that. Now choose any one number with which we will multiply and divide. So I am choosing here number 5. So both these fractions we will take one by one. Minus 9 over 15, multiply and divide with 5. So 9 minus 9 5s are minus 45, 15 5s are 75. Similarly, the second rational number we will multiply with the same. Okay, minus 5 over 15, multiply 5 over 5. So minus 5 5s are minus 25, 15 5s are 75. Okay, now these two are rational numbers. We will write different rational numbers between these two rational numbers. This is minus 25, right next minus 26 over 75, minus 27 over 75, minus 28 over 75, minus 29 over 75, minus 30 over 75. We need 5, so we have written. Rest no need to write, 31, 32, 33 till 45. Okay, so these are the limits, means we have to write numbers between these two. These two will not be counted. Other than these two, you have to write 5 rational numbers. Now the question will come to your mind that only these are the rational numbers between these two. No, there are endless or you can say countless rational numbers between any two numbers. Either they are integers or they are rational. There are countless rational numbers in between them. How? Because here we have chosen 5. If you will choose 2, there will be different rational numbers. If you will write here 10, different rational numbers. If you will write here 235, different rational numbers. So like our counting is unlimited, similarly rational numbers between two numbers are unlimited. Clear? So based on this, I am giving you these 3 sums. So you have to try this. You have to do it yourself. But if you will have any doubt, you can ask me in your classes. Okay, when we will end. So next type I am taking, write 4 rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Like students, in integers also you write the patterns. Like if any pattern is given 3, 6, 9 and you have to write next 3 numbers in the same pattern. So you will observe that 3, 6, 9, it means it is 3's table. So next numbers will be 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. Similarly, in rational numbers also we are supposed to write next 4 rational numbers. These 4 rational numbers are already given. You have to write next 4 rational numbers by observing their pattern. Okay. So if you see it carefully, like it is 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5. Next is minus 6 by 10. So it means if we multiply both this with 2, we are getting this number. Okay. Next is minus 9 over 15. Again we will, if we multiply this number with 3, then if you observe this, if we multiply with 4, so we will write like this, that which pattern is going on. So first we are having this one, so we are multiplying with 1 over 1. So same number, and if we multiply with 2 and 2, then 3 minus 2s are minus 6 and 5 2s are 10. Then next, multiplying with 3, we are getting 9 over 15. Then multiplying with 4, we are getting minus 12 over 20. It means first number we are multiplying with 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the next pattern? We will multiply with 5, 6, 7 and 8. So by multiplying with 5, 6, 7 and 8, which rational number we will get, that will be our answer. Okay. So multiply this one, minus 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So minus 15 over 25. Next number, minus 3 over 5 into 6 by 6. So minus 3 6 are minus 18, 6 5s are 30. So next, minus 3 7s are minus 21 and 5 7s are 35. Then minus 3 8s are 24 and 5 8s are 40. So in this way we will get our next 4 rational numbers with the same pattern. Okay, with the same pattern. So one more example I am taking here. Next is minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 6, 6 by minus 9. If you see, in first rational number, numerator is negative, but in rest all the rational numbers, denominators are negative. Okay, pattern we can understand, it is 2, 4, 6, it means next 8, 10, 12, it is very easy. But the question is of sign. Here numerator is negative, but rest all denominators are negative. So in this, how we can change their signs? This, how minus 2 can be plus 2? So if we multiply minus 2 with minus 1, so students, as you know, multiplication of integers, minus minus it will become plus. These two signs will be cancelled. These two signs will be cancelled. So minus 2 minus 1, when will be multiplied, it will become plus 2. Okay. I know when we add or subtract, we always put sign of bigger term when we add or subtract integers. But when we multiply or divide integers, always two negative signs make one positive. Okay, minus minus, it becomes plus. So similarly, if we are multiplying with minus 1 numerator, then denominator also will be multiplied with minus 1, because you know this is the rule of fraction. If we multiply with any number, with same number we divide. Okay, so when we multiply 3 with minus 1, it will become minus 3. So in this way, if we multiply and divide with minus 1, their signs will be changed. Numerator will become positive and denominator will become negative. Okay, so now we'll start writing minus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 1. Similarly, now this number will be multiplied with minus 2 and minus 2. This number, same number will be multiplied with minus 3 and minus 3. Same number will be multiplied with minus 4 and minus 4. Same number will be multiplied with minus 5 and minus 5. Then with minus 6 and minus 6. Then with minus 7 and minus 7. Okay, so what we are getting after multiplying? Minus 2 minus 1, so plus 2. 3 minus 1s are 3 minus 3. Similarly, minus 2 minus 2, 4 plus 4, because both are negative. 3 2s are 6, but one negative sign is there. Here we will not see that this is bigger term, so in answer we will put bigger term sign. No, in multiplication we count the signs. If two signs, then it becomes positive. If one only, then it will remain negative. Okay, so similarly next, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9 with their sign. Then minus 2 minus 4s are plus 8. 3 minus 4s are minus 12. Then minus 2 minus 5s are plus 10. 3 minus 5s are minus 15. Minus 2 minus 6 are plus 12. 3 minus 6 are minus 18. Minus 2 minus 7s are 14. 3 minus 7s are minus 21. So if you see, with these pattern, we are continuing with these rational numbers. Okay, so you have to observe that which pattern is there. Now related with these two examples, I am giving to you these two signs. Okay, please try it, do it yourself. Thank you, students.